Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you the Ultimate Windows 11 Guide, a complete and beginner-friendly walkthrough designed to help you understand Windows 11 from A to Z. In this guide, we'll explore all the important settings, new features, customization options, and useful tips that can make your PC smoother, faster, and easier to use. Whether you've just upgraded to Windows 11 or you want to learn some hidden tricks to improve your workflow, this tutorial is going to break everything down in a simple and clear way. Step 1. Move Start menu to the left. To start, locate and click the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. This is the main hub for accessing all your apps, settings, and important features on Windows 11. Once the Start menu opens, click the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This will take you to the Windows Settings window, where you can customize almost every aspect of your system. Inside Settings, navigate to Personalization from the left-hand menu, then select Taskbar. This section gives you control over how your taskbar appears and functions. Scroll down until you find Taskbar Behaviors and click to expand it. Here, open the Taskbar Alignment drop-down menu and select Left. This moves your Start menu to the classic left side position, giving your desktop a more traditional and organized look. After aligning the Start menu, it's a good idea to declutter your taskbar for a cleaner workspace. Turn off features you don't use regularly, such as Search, Task View, Widgets, and Chat. This creates more space for the apps and tools you actually need, making your taskbar less crowded and easier to navigate. Next, check the System Tray Icons section. Disable any icons you rarely use, like the pen menu, touch keyboard, or virtual touchpad. Then open Taskbar Corner Overflow, which controls the visibility of additional background app icons, and turn off any extras you don't need. This step ensures your taskbar stays neat and professional. Now, go back to Personalization, Start. Turn off recommendations to remove suggested apps and content from your Start menu. For an even cleaner appearance, you can also hide recently added apps and recently opened items, leaving only the essential apps visible. Finally, close the Settings window. Your Start menu is now perfectly left-aligned, your taskbar is decluttered, and your Windows 11 desktop feels organized, professional, and easy to navigate. This setup not only improves visual clarity but also makes your daily workflow smoother and more efficient. Step 2. Virtual desktops and work modes. Start by locating the Task View icon on your taskbar, which looks like a small rectangle with two overlapping squares. Click it to open the Task View interface, where you can see your current desktops and any open windows. This feature allows you to manage multiple virtual desktops, giving you the flexibility to separate different types of tasks and workspaces. Once Task View is open, click New Desktop to create a fresh workspace. This new desktop acts as a blank canvas where you can open apps and windows without interference from other tasks. On Desktop 1, open all your work-related applications such as Word documents, Excel sheets, your preferred web browser, email, or any other productivity tools you need for professional tasks. This ensures that all your work tasks remain organized in a dedicated space. Switch to Desktop 2 and open personal or entertainment apps like music players, video streaming apps, games, or social media. For example, I am just open the control panel. This separation ensures that personal activities don't interfere with your work focus. You can create multiple desktops depending on your needs. For example, one for study, one for projects, and another for hobbies. To move between desktops quickly, use the keyboard shortcut, Window plus Control plus left or right. This allows you to switch seamlessly between different desktops without having to go back into Task View each time. For easier identification, you can right-click on any virtual desktop in Task View and rename it according to its purpose. For instance, Work, Personal, or Study. Task View also allows you to drag any open window from one desktop to another. This is useful if you realize a window belongs in a different workspace or if you need to organize your open apps across multiple desktops. If a desktop becomes unnecessary, Simply close it by clicking the X on the desktop thumbnail in Task View. Windows will automatically remember which apps were assigned to each desktop, so reopening a desktop restores its apps in the same arrangement. By using virtual desktops effectively, you can keep all your work, personal tasks, and entertainment separated while maintaining a clean and organized digital environment. Step 3. Privacy and Security. Start by opening the Settings app on your Windows 11 PC. Then navigate to Privacy and Security. This section allows you to control how Windows and apps access your personal data, helping you maintain better privacy and security on your system. Under the General Settings, turn off all options related to ad tracking and personalized data. Disabling these options prevents apps and Windows from collecting unnecessary information about your usage patterns and ensures a more private computing experience. Next, go to Location Settings. Turn off location access for apps that don't require it to function. This limits unnecessary tracking of your physical location and reduces the risk of apps misusing this data. Move on to Camera Settings and allow access only for trusted applications. Similarly, go to Microphone Settings and grant access solely to apps you trust. This step protects your sensitive audio and video input from being accessed by unverified or potentially malicious programs. Scroll down to Recent Activity and disable the option to store activity on the device. This ensures that your personal actions and usage data are not recorded locally, maintaining greater privacy. Next, open Windows Security. Run a quick scan to ensure your system is free from malware and threats. After that, turn on ransomware protection by enabling controlled folder access. Review the list of folders that are protected and add any additional important folders, such as documents, pictures, or work files. Finally, check firewall and network protection to confirm that all networks are active and protected. This ensures that your PC is defended against unauthorized access and potential cyber attacks. That's it for the Ultimate Windows 11 Guide. Your desktop is now cleaner, faster, and more organized. Explore these features, stay productive, and enjoy Windows 11 to the fullest. Thank you for watching.